In this homework, we would like to practice more and more how to simplify expressions to be really good in that. So let's do that together. The first expression is true and the false and true. As you see, all of them are and one of them is false. According to the rule, this all will be reduced directly to a false. In the second expression, we have a bunch of ands, then or and ands. So we first can take this first group, true and the false and true. As all of them are ands with a false, then it can be reduced to false. Now false or true is now true, because this true and true will be reduced to true here. In the next, we have a parenthesis. Parentheses have priority. So we first reduce the true or false to true and replace it here with true. After that, we have this big expression, so we can reduce it to true and then reduce that guy to true. So we have true, true, and the true is true. The remaining is the true or true. In this one, we have also more than parentheses, and some of them are deep. So let's find something that's very deep. We can take this true and reduce it to true. So now it's gone here with just single true. Again, take true and reduce it with a single true. So now it's false or true. Reduce it to true. So now we have all of this expression, which can be, now you can take this part, reduce it, and then this part, and then all of them together. Again, very deep one. Let's find something very simple and deep. Let's take this guy here, true or false. We reduce it to true and replace it to here with true. And this true and true, we replace it to true. And then we have a bunch of groups that we are going to simplify to eventually true or false or true, which is just true. Now let's try to be more smarter when it comes to reductions. Again, we'll take this guy true or false and reduce it to true, and then we again take this guy and reduce it to true. Now the expression is like that. The first part is true and the true, so we parse it to true only. Now here is the trick. It is true or something. The question here, do we really need to go and compute the result of all of that? The answer is no, because we know that if there is a single true in or statement, then it must be true. So this is what we call a smart reduction. Later we'll know it named as shortcut circuit evaluation. Here we have true and the true, or true and the false, and the true or blah 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 blah. So notice that T and the T or something is just equal T, because this part is T, and or something again it will be just T. In our case here, we can reduce in 2 steps to 2. This guy would be reduced. True or false is just true, and true we can just parse it to true, and then all of this expression here can be simplified to just eventually true. So now overall this guy false or true, just true. And finally here, yeah, again in a very similar logic, you just go, for example, you can reduce this guy and then reduce this guy and then go ahead and reduce all of this guy. Then you have a bunch of trues and falses together to simplify. That's all.